Okay guys, I went out to the junkyard and there's a 2008 Bug out there that had a auxiliary plug near the bottom of the dash. It's right here. It just clips in on the bottom of the dash. It was going into the rest of the harness, so I had to cut it. There's 4 wires here. There is a gray, there's a yellow, and there's a black, and there's a green right here on this cord. I got this harness right here. I cut it off the car. Now the blue one is the one that goes to the amp right here, the blue one. Then this other wiring was on it too. The green one has the same wires on it too, exact same size too. And it hooked up, like I said, to the green one. And if you look at it from this angle, and I'm sure that's for ground. I do not know yet what these are for, these 2 singles. Probably not used. So I'm going to heat shrink and solder these to these and actually just check it and see if it works. That is so you can, like I said, have the auxiliary radio, plug your iPhone in or whatever you want to plug into it, or your iPod or whatever. So I'm sure it would work with the some of the other phones too that have the jack on them. So I'm gonna try it and see if it works. Okay, got it. And I haven't shrinked that yet, that part of the heat shrink, but there it is. There we go. It works on auxiliary with this cord. So that's it. Cool. Here it is. I got the wire hooked up here. Goes all the way down and it fishes back down. Let's see if I can get my finger down there. Right down here. And it comes out of the dash right there. That's it. Now I just got to put everything back together.